Name my sons, for it is no good report that I hear. He makes the Lord's people to transgress. If one man sin against another, the judge shall judge him. But if a man sin against the Lord, who shall entreat for him? Notwithstanding, they hearken not unto the laws of their father, because the Lord would slay them, and the judge will grew on, and was in favor both with the Lord and also with men. 1 Samuel 2:24-26. Name my sons, for it is no good report that I hear. But if a man sin against the Lord, who shall entreat for him? 1 Samuel 2.